Escape to your private 2.4-acre sanctuary, a rare Newport news estate with no HOA. A welcoming living room and cozy fireplace invites you inside. The bright dining room is perfect for hosting memorable dinners with loved ones. A bright kitchen features gorgeous lightwood cabinetry and a large window over the sink. The contemporary dark range hood over the stovetop adds a sleek, modern touch. The kitchen opens to the family room, perfect for entertaining. Expansive built-in shelving and cabinetry offer generous storage space. A stunning dark brick fireplace serves as the family room's cozy, warm heart. Enjoy serene water and backyard views from the vaulted sunroom. The primary suite is a true retreat with vaulted ceilings and plenty of space for a sitting area. The spa-like primary bathroom includes dual sinks, a tiled shower, and bathtub. Soak your cares away in the incredible and spacious jetted bathtub. This sweet and bright nursery is filled with natural light, awaiting memories. Step out onto the multi-level deck for amazing outdoor living and access to the boat dock that's perfect for exploring the water via kayak. Ready to experience this incredible Newport News home? Contact Jodi Linney to schedule a tour.